Hello everyone! In this video I wanted to give you a few tips on drawing expressions. If you haven't seen the other videos in this playlist, I highly recommend you do so it all makes more sense. However, this can still be a good video if you just want to up your skills and go the extra mile with your expressions. I've mentioned this in other videos, but exaggeration is key. Never forget about it. If you want to draw your character super happy, then don't be afraid to go overboard with it. Exaggerate the smile or even the eyes. I always like to draw big open mouths and closed eyes. The smile is so big, my character can't even keep their eyes open. If you want to draw your character completely devastated and sobbing, then add rivers of tears, maybe even some snot. It all depends on how strong you want the emotion to be. It also depends on the style you're going for. For example, even though I like to exaggerate certain emotions, I consider them to still be pretty mild. Other artists prefer to go on to the next level with it. As always, it's all a matter of experimenting and seeing what works for you. Don't worry if you're not consistent with the way you draw emotions. Keep on experimenting and you'll find the way you like to draw, and then the consistency starts happening. Other than exaggeration key features of the face, you can also add details to the rest of your character. You can use the hair, the pose, perspective, clothing, and much more to your advantage. When drawing an angry expression, you can add spiky hair going wild as opposed to their usual style. In fact, I did that. When drawing Jean angry, you can see how I use the hair to add flair and strength to the emotion. If the character is happy, you can make their hair going upwards, like it's as excited as the rest of their body. These little nuances change and intensify the emotions you're drawing. You can also use the body. Draw the character's body according to their emotion. For example, is your character embarrassed or shy? Usually when we feel like this, we tend to try and hide our body. We close ourselves off to appear smaller. So do the same in your drawings. Draw the shoulders moving closer to the head and add a slight tilt to the head. Maybe draw the arms crossed. There are many possibilities, but don't focus only on the face or head area. Use the whole pose to clarify the emotion you're drawing. All these tiny details will help you master expression and create more interesting characters. Now finally, you can add small visual effects around the character. Is your character falling in love and can't even hide it? Then why not add a heart or two around them? Better yet, turn their eyes into hearts. Are they surprised about something? Then why not add some lines around the face to reinforce that idea even more? You can try it right now. Grab your sketchbook or any old sketch you have. If you grab the template I gave you before and drew on it, use those expressions. Choose an expression or more than one and add some visual effects to it. You can even change the hair a little bit too. Notice how the expression changes right away. So, what do you prefer? With or without these new details? Test out different things until you find something that works for you. And then it's all about practicing to improve and get better. And that's it! To finalize, I just wanted to show you my expression sheet. These are the expressions I chose for my template. Don't forget to do the same as you learn new expressions. Choose one you like and add it to the sheet. If you don't have the template yet, I'll leave you a link in the description so you can download it and use for your practices. I really hope this class was useful for you and that you learned something with it. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. And as a quick reminder, you can check out more of my classes on Gumroad. I'll leave you a link in the description as well, so check that out. Tell me in the comments what else would you like to learn to draw, and as always, keep on drawing.